Hello guys, in this video we're highlighting the Graco Ultra 190PC Express Electric Airless Sprayer, a reliable and versatile tool from Graco. This Graco sprayer will significantly enhance your projects, allowing you to paint surfaces up to 6 times faster than with a roller and 14 times faster than with a brush. With the right technique, it also delivers a superior finish. Weighing just 14 kilograms, this lightweight and portable stand unit is perfect for both interior and exterior painting jobs. It's easy to move around and store, making it ideal for new painting tradies and DIY enthusiasts, as well as a great backup for touch-ups and small jobs. This sprayer will definitely be a good selection for general purpose applications. However, it is not recommended for roofs and is classified as the entry model in professional range sprayers. The maximum tip size is 0.019 inch. The 190PC Express handles a variety of materials including varnish, lacquers, acrylics, primers, and undercoats. It features Graco's ProConnect system for quick pump removal and replacement, an endurance pump with long-life VMAX components and 2 inner valves, a quick access intake valve for easy cleaning, and consistent pressure control for a smooth spray pattern. The package includes the 190PC Express stand unit, an SG3 FTX airless sprayer gun, a gun mesh filter 50, and a 6.4mm X15 and BlueMax II airless hose. It will also come with low-pressure 517 tip. For added functionality, pair it with Graco's jet troller products. Don't forget to use Graco's pump armor and lubricate the pump with throat seal liquid to keep your sprayer in peak condition. Made in the USA, the 190PC Express comes with a 12-month warranty. For more details, visit the product description.